Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 BMW M5. So first of all, we need to make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the iDrive here, and you've got telephone there, so we'll click on telephone, and you'll see there it's come up on the screen, but you've got a phone that's connected or could be connected, and then you've got the option to add a new device. That's what we want to do. So click on add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW M5. There it is. It's come up already, so we'll click on that. It's now asking me to put a passkey in, so for ease of use I'll just go for 4 noughts, like so. Then we turn the rotary control down to OK, click OK, and then we have to put 4 noughts in here and click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and there you go, it's connected. Just taking its time on the actual audio system in the car, but it's connected on the phone.